What's going on, family? It's your man, mattdv. What's happening, y'all? Look, man, I am in the South Ward. I'm on the precipice of Irvington, New Jersey, but we are in Newark, New Jersey. Lyons and Fabian Place. A lot of y'all have been here before. Right there behind me, right? That's where you guys, used to be a Pathmark back there. And it used to be junior, they used to call it Lyons Lanes back in the day. And then it became Junior's Lanes. And then Pathmark was here. Now Pathmark is gone and there's something called Super Fresh there. But we heard there's a Golden Krust over here. I forget who suggested it, but we're gonna definitely put their name down there, whoever suggested it. Once again, we're in Newark, New Jersey, rearing in the South Ward. Let's go check out Golden Krust, see what they got. Somebody was asking me, was there blimpies around? So we're here in this parking lot, man, and there's a lot of traffic in this parking lot. So they definitely have something good here, right? So there's a blimpies, whoever was asking me about that. You got Pizza Hut here. I didn't know that there was a Pizza Hut. That sign looked like it's been there for a while. And then look, y'all, even down here, what? There's even a Popeyes in the lot. Alright, any of your subscribers from Newark, New Jersey, y'all know Pathmark used to sit there. Now there's a spot called Super Fresh. There's also a pharmacy in there. I used to bowl at Junior Lanes. That used to be right over there, y'all. Junior Lanes, it was Lyons Lanes before Junior Lanes. I used to bowl there, and I used to bowl on a team called the Cubs, and then we moved up to the Tigers, I believe it was. Popeyes in the lot. All right, let's check it out. We're right behind this building, y'all. It's Route 78, just in case you don't know where I am. This is Golden Krust right here, y'all. That's Golden Krust. We gonna go check it out. Check it out at Golden Krust. Let's see what they got. We're going in, y'all. We're going in. We're going in. So they are open. They're open from Monday through Saturday, 8 p.m. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Yes. I don't know what I want. Somebody told me to get fried chicken. What'd you get, bro? What'd you get? Jerk chicken? How you doing? I'm gonna get the jerk chicken. The jerk wings. And what's the is that curry shrimp up front too? Curry shrimp, yeah. Can I get a side of that? Sure. I'm gonna get a side of those.
So what do you want the jerk wings? Rice and peas or just cabbage?
I'll take cabbage. Yeah. There it is, y'all. I got a side of them. Oh, I got the cabbage coming. Oh, that's a lot, y'all. Look how much they give me. Oh, wow. I'll take this one. There you go. Give me some sauce too, sis. That's right. Check it out, y'all. This is what I got. I got the jerk wings and some cabbage. And I got the curry shrimp. I wanted to mix it. They look like they had some type of batter type curry shrimp too, but you could not mix it. The shrimp were, the chicken jerk wings was $3.10 with the cabbage. The curry shrimp was $20.15. And of course I got some Jamaican ginger beer right there. Let's check it out, man. Let's taste it and see how it is. Here it is, y'all. We're at Golden Krust in Newark, New Jersey, man. Where is Bond? Which one should I go? I'm going for the chicken first. I am going for, we're going for the jerk chicken. See that right there? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it right there. That looks delicious, right? Check it out. Let's see it. And you know what? It's got this hot peppercorn taste. Ooh. Really, that was just the skin I ate, man. I'm tasting them spices.
I'm gonna tell you what, I don't mind salt. This might be a little salty, but like I said, I don't mind it. If you're the type of person that don't really like salt on your food, this one may not be for you. But I like the spices though. It's not just salty, it has that hot spice to it. That joke made me thirsty. That pepper so spicy, it made me thirsty. Like I'm looking at this Jamaican ginger beer. But before that, that was one of the wings. Somebody suggested this spot. Their name's right here. They suggested when I put up the Ambassadors had the best chicken. They don't sell jerk chicken at Ambassadors. I don't know if they sell fried chicken here, but it is. I wanted to get something traditional. I've seen a lot of Caribbean men and women coming up in here ordering before me. So anytime you have a spot that serves a certain type of food and you have that certain culture that belongs to that food coming up in, you know it's legit. I really like that wing, y'all, but I'm gonna be honest, it's a little salty. I'm going for the shrimp now, curry shrimp. I smelled curry as soon as I came up in here, y'all. I could smell curry. They're all right.
If I had some rice to go with this chicken, it would have been perfect. But you know how the rice is like kind of like just rice is bland. Mixed with this chicken, a little salty.
Let me see if that was just a real salty piece I had. Okay. More of the jerk, it's jerk wings. I'm calling it jerk chicken. They just really corrected me. It was like, no, it's jerk wings. I'm gonna be honest, man, that piece tastes less salty than that first one. You gotta bite into it. It's not like the meat is falling off the bone. Is it worth $13? Yes. Are the shrimp worth $20? No. The shrimp aren't. That's the cabbage. The cabbage is firm. It's not too soft and smushy. I think that's a piece of corn in there too. It is. It has a little sweetness to it. It's delicious. That's the way I like my cabbage. I don't like my cabbage too soft and mushy. Look, there's even green beans in there. They got the pole beans in there and the string beans. Okay, back to the curry shrimp. Let's give them another chance. All right. It tastes like the shrimp has just been steaming too long, you know? Yeah. It has that spongy like bite to it, like it's been in the steamer way too long. Yeah. And the flavors. I wanna, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna taste the curry sauce. Check it out. I don't know, y'all. Definitely, if I knew this, I would not have gotten the shrimp curry. I would have gotten the chicken. That's a good one. I'm licking my fingers. So, had to get out here to Golden Krust. Because not just one person mentioned it, but two people mentioned it. My total bill came to $35, but that was the shrimp, the $20 shrimp. $20 shrimp took the price up. That's it, man. Real quick one here. at Golden Krust in Newark, New Jersey on Lyons Avenue. I'll put the address right there. I wouldn't suggest the shrimp. The wings gonna be it's spicy, definitely spicy. But that first one's a little on the salty side. Maybe someone could suggest that really like this place something else to get. Is that why they call it jerk chicken? You gotta jerk it. Like, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified. This your man, mattdv. Over here in the old Junior's Lane bowling alley parking lot. Old Pathmark parking lot. Like I said, y'all saw in the video, Blimpies is down the street. I want to see if that's still a good Blimpies. Ooh, that is getting spicy now, y'all. That pepper on that jerk chicken, the jerk wings, is peppery. Come on, man. Y'all have a good day. Nobody told you they love you. You hang with the wrong people. Love you, cat. See you at the next one. Peace.